Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I do my natural face. First, I use my Burt's Bees deep cleansing cream. Had to wash my face, get all of the, dirt and stuff off, I suppose. I actually got this from my boyfriend. It was his and I just never gave it back. Yes, washy, wash, wash. Clean, clean, clean. My natural face looks so beautiful. I will now put on my Witch-Hazel. I love applying Witch-Hazel. It really evens out the skin. My mother got it for me. It's Dickinson's. I will put the link below, okay? Also, I'll add the link for the Burt's Bees facial cleanser because those two products make my face super clear. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, y'all. I love doing my eyebrows. This is my eyebrow brush. It's e.l.f. eyebrow brush, I suppose, and I have some eyeshadow, so I have a different way of doing my eyebrows. I wet the tip of my brush and then I put it into my eyeshadow. I know it sounds crazy. It's like my own way. I don't know, some people use like eyebrow pencils, but I use eyeshadow and eyebrow brush. It really does the job though, or maybe I'm just too cheap to do it any other way, but it works for me. Watch and learn. Personally, I think that using eyeshadow gives it more of a fuller look and a just more natural look. When you use a pencil, obviously it's not natural looking. This technique really just helps me to fill in what a pencil would have outlined. So yeah, works for me. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna pull out my contour palette and brush, and I'm going to outline around my eyebrows to kind of give it that, that natural look. I'm gonna really just do the outline. It's so cute. Yes, 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 yes. I have to use a lighter color because obviously I'm lighter. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. It's all about just really trying to be very precise with this method, but definitely doable at home. Also, pretty much every item that I'm wearing in this video is from the beauty supply store, so it's very affordable. This is an affordable look, and people are spending $50 to get their makeup done. Heck no. So yeah, I'll put the links below to get these products, and then just watch my video so you'll learn how to do it right. And you'll be looking like $1 million, which I only spent 10, girl. Now to the fun part. We're going to be putting on my foundation. I love Maybelline Fit Me. It seems like the only thing that really works with my skin. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Now I obviously can't tell you what color would work for you, but I'm a 322, okay? And that color is Warm Honey. So if you're anything close to my skin complexion, get 322 Warm Honey. So I'm just dabbing on my skin and everything. Here goes my handy dandy brush, and I'm gonna just lather it on my face. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect, y'all. Look at it. It blends in so perfectly. And Maybelline Fit Me, if you're a brown girl, you're bound to find a color that's gonna match with you with Maybelline Fit Me. It's hard for me to find anything else, my color anywhere else, but this, nice. It works best for me. It fits. All right, here goes my handy dandy contour and highlight palette again. This time, instead of outlining my eyebrows, I'm gonna work on contour and highlighting my face. So I'm starting off with the highlighting. I use the lighter color to go ahead and make myself look like I am a part of a tribe. But it works, guys, it works. I actually look beautiful like this. What if I walked out the house like this? This is cute, girl. Is this style? Is this a move or nah? Nah. Okay. I'm just gonna blend it on in, guys. Just blend it in, y'all. Let it really just highlight your face and those features. I like to put it on underneath my eyes and on my nose, on the tip of my nose, and also on my chin and on my forehead, guys. So it's everywhere, pretty much, but not everywhere because my contour still needs a place to be. Now, remember, this is a natural look, so we're not overdoing it also. All right, now it's time to get into contour. I'm going to use this blush right here. Yeah, you can use blush. I mean, I do at least. And I get those edges between my nose, I get my cheekbones, and I get the tip of my head. Just watch how I do it. Makes your face look a lot skinnier, doesn't it? I love it. All right, this is no Fenty, but child, I'm about to glow, baby, glow. All right, I love to apply this to just highlight my highlight. It's some like glitter powder bronzer. It really just gives you that glow, girl. Glow, baby, glow. Like I said, it's not Fenty, but it's Benty. No, not really. I'll have the product description below though. I applied this exactly the same places where I applied my original highlighters, on my forehead, underneath my eyes, the tip of my nose, my chin. Gives it that glow. Ooh, you shining, babe. All right, we're almost done, but not done yet. Here we go with my eyeshadow. Back with the palette that I did my eyebrows with. I'm gonna just apply some of this powder to the tip of my eyelids. I don't have an eyeshadow brush right now, guys. But yes, now I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow, and I love to apply it to the creases of my eyes, as you saw that I did, and now I'm applying it to the top lid, a different shade. Mascara, mascara, mascara. I use my e.l.f. mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and be long lashes, don't care. Long hair, don't care. Long lashes, don't care. Ooh, the lashes is what will do it to them. All right, and then to close, we're gonna put on some lipstick. And oh, can't forget the matte finish spray. I spray this about 8 inches away from my face because we want my makeup to set. So make sure you get full coverage so that you can have it set. And congratulations, we've got a sexy natural face. I did it. And you can too. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos that are just like this. I love you, but God loves you even more. Thanks.